I'm Mahini. I'm a digital account manager at the Kite Factory. I manage, plan and buy digital campaigns across all of our clients. The clients absolutely love the Adverity dashboards. They've commented that the dashboards are very easy to navigate. The transparency of data available and the visibility of data as well really ensures that we're able to have open and honest conversations about how campaigns are going and how the data and performance is looking. Having multiple sources of data integrated ensures that we're able to have a holistic overview on our campaigns and ensure that we're tracking against our targets.
I'm Sarah Faust. I'm Head of Data and Analytics at the Kite Factory, so I'm in charge of all our data, reporting, measurement and attribution. Prior to working with Adverity, we built our own solution for our reporting and measurement. It was very inflexible to our requirements, whereas working with Adverity, there's a vast list of connectors available already that we're able to just kind of plug into, so it doesn't matter how small the campaign is, it's really easy to integrate that data. Once we'd kind of gained that confidence in the new data that was coming in via Adverity, we were able to switch our client reporting from weekly to daily, which means that our teams and our clients have the most up-to-date data at their fingertips to be able to make kind of life decisions that aren't a week old. The most powerful Adverity moment for me has been when someone's come to me with a brand new supplier that we've never used before, and then looking and seeing it's on the connectors list, being able to connect straight into that and pull the data through. We could be live in the database and in the reports within a matter of hours without having opened any of the API documentation, without any developers.
I'm Alex, I'm the Senior Data Manager here at the Kite Factory. I work with Adverity to create dashboards and new solutions to integrate different connections that we have and different partners that we're working with. When you're creating a data product, the fewer times you have to ask someone for data, the quicker everything is. Sometimes we have offline data that we need to import. In general, you have to have it in 3 different Excels and you have to send all of those to the client separately, whereas with Adverity, we can have them all in one place and the client can look at them as and when they need.
Partnering with Adverity was absolutely the right decision. We really felt that there was a strong roadmap in place and we wanted to kind of go on that journey with Adverity.